This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by securing your settings so you can restore them later. First, connect your computer to the airport extreme with Ethernet and power the unit. Once done, open Airport Utility to check current firmware and record network names, passwords, and DHCP settings. Export a configuration backup if available. Make sure the base station's reset button is accessible. This saves time and prevents accidental reboots. By preparing now, you avoid needless downtime and preserve any custom network settings. You now decide which reset fits your problem. If you only lost the password, perform a soft reset. Press and hold the reset button briefly to enter a temporary admin window without deleting settings. If you need a full wipe, use the factory reset. Press and hold longer to restore defaults. While holding, watch the LED for the amber/green pattern that indicates the chosen mode. Once the LED shows the expected behavior, release the button and let the base station complete its restart cycle. After the reboot, open Airport Utility and re-adopt the base station. Restore your exported configuration or manually re-enter SSID, password, and DHCP settings so devices reconnect automatically. Make sure firmware is up to date and that the internet status reads connected. Finally, verify wireless clients can access the network and the web. If things fail, power cycle the unit, inspect the LED for error colors, and retry the appropriate reset mode, soft versus factory, based on whether settings must be preserved or fully cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.